Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are down in the description box below and they have links, so check that out. There is also a link to my Amazon store, so everything's in one spot for you. Don't have to look around for it. I am an affiliate and do make a small percentage off what you buy, but it is no extra cost to you. So I appreciate that. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when new videos come out, hit that notification bell and let's go have fun. Okay, as you see, there's something else on my canvas. I buy canvases at yard sales. I like to play way too much to spend tons of money on them. So here is what I'm going to do. I've done my coasters like this and I have a lot of fun with this type of pouring. So see, you can see these coasters and they're just poured like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Aren't those cool? So this is a neat way to do little coasters, but it's also a cool way to do pictures. Okay, so right now I have a light gold. I am putting in a bronze. These are going to be really earthy, tony things. I don't really care how I put them in. I'm just putting them in. This is metallic gold. It's from Blick. You can either squirt in the center or squirt on the edge. This is, let's do a brown. Snow brown, can't get the lid off. Okay, so that's the only problem with using stuff like this. You can't get the lid off. So I'm back to my squirt bottles. There's a brown. Now these I need to put a white in at some point. Now this isn't a big one. I think this is 24 ounce. I don't know. It's big. I like it. I use it a lot. And there's a little bit of black. I don't want a lot, but just a little bit. Now this is house paint, the black is, so it's going to create bubbles and cells and stuff, so that's really cool. Here is phthalo green. And let's go with, ooh, turquoise. This is also a Blick color. And how about, did we do copper? If we didn't, or did, let's do it again. All right, I don't even know what this is, but I have it, and let's do it. Oh, Payne's Gray. Who doesn't love Payne's Gray? A little bit of white again. I don't want a ton, but I want it to play, so I'm going to drizzle it like this. Oh, let's do some more brown, green. I can tell that green is watery compared to my other one, so we'll see what it does. I like to go around my glass sometimes. See what it does. Let's just do some more of this. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but I like all these colors, so can't be too bad. Me and Payne's Gray bottle has a lot of issues. let's see what to do next. Get some of this in there. This is an interesting gold. It's really tanny, but it is pretty. So let's stick some of that in there. That is from let me grab a bottle. Creative Inspirations. So it's a gold. This is a metallic copper. Their colors are really pretty. I think that's going to be enough. So I'm going to get these picked up out of the way. Okay. So I am just going to ripple it back and forth and we'll see what we have. If I start getting a really good pattern, we'll put it in the center. But for right now, I'm going to pour over to the side just a little bit. Figure a lot of this is going to be taken off, so I definitely want to do something with these colors right through here. All right, let's see. So I'm going to kind of sort of decide now what I like the best. This is going to be pretty cool, I think. So I think I'm good with how I've got it arranged. Let me get my torch. Okay. All right. This is going to be so good. How do I want to stand? I'm going to stand this way. I want this corner off a little bit. I think I'm liking some of this other movement. I'm absolutely loving the freedom of leaving, I'm going to put my hands over that, this part with nothing down here, because you know in the old days I was like, well, I have to have that color down here too. Even no, I'm really liking the freedom to not have to do all that. Kind of want this, but I don't think I can get it moved. Yeah, there's a point it says I'm done, and I think we're there. All right, wipe your bottom here off, because if you have drips, it'll wick it down and just pull that paint right off the canvas. Yes, I am happy with that. Now, we're going to go a step farther. All right, so I like this one. Okay, this is glitter. I love sprinkling it in. Not everywhere, but just a little, maybe this vein right here, and that's it. Maybe do one in the corner, but for the most part, this is what I'm wanting to do. I'm gonna pull down just a tad. These are the stainless steel mixers. I have those down in the description, and they're awesome. I use them for so much. Okay, so I need to pick where I want to do this, and I want to do ever so slightly a little bit. I don't want it to be, wow, that's glittery. I just want it to be, when they walk by, something else catches their eye. Just enough to make them pause one more time before they walk past it. And I try to do matching colors. So if it's like the turquoise, I'll do a turquoise. Or if I'm doing it on white, I want to do it on white. It was a lot, it dumped it. That's all right, I can fix it. I'll show you how to fix that. See if I'll just be better off doing this. Yep, I think this is just as easy. If you've watched anything of mine, you know I play and I discover things. I don't figure it out and then show it to you. You can figure it out with me. Okay, so this part here has a tad much. I'm just going to dab it. I'm just going to push some of that under the paint. Hopefully not mess my paint up. And then just something in this corner, maybe this dark green right here. Just barely. So this is not hugely noticeable, but it does add just something. There. Okay. All right, see if you can see it. I don't know if you can or not. Let me take this off. There we go. Now you can. There. All right. Thanks for joining me, and y'all go have fun.